Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the settings section on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all you have to go enter the application and then click on these three lines right here, and here you will find the feedback and the scan and the settings section. Click on the settings section, and as you see here you can manage your settings section. You can manage the security, the account security, the general settings, the notification settings, the privacy settings, etc. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.